Hi friends, welcome back to Tiffin and Meals. Today we are going to make spicy onion wheat paratha with coriander and mint dip. I have made a soft dough with 1 cup of wheat flour, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil and made to rest for half an hour. For the filling, finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon amchur powder that is dry mango powder, a pinch of salt. For the dip, half a bunch mint, coriander, 1 big green chili, 1 cup curd, a few cashews and half a teaspoon salt. For the dip, to a blender, I am putting in chopped mint leaves, chopped coriander leaves, green chili, cashews and salt. This is the consistency of the ground mixture. Now I am adding curd to the mixture. I am going to run the blender for a few seconds. Now the dip is ready. In a bowl, I am putting in chopped onion, chili powder, cumin powder, amchur that is dried mango powder and salt together. Now I am mixing it well. Now take a portion of dough and roll it out to round in shape. Roll it out into thin chapati. Smear some oil over the chapati. Spread evenly. Place some onion mixture to one corner of the chapati. Now roll out into thick parathas. Don't press too much as the filling may come out. If a portion of the filling comes out, no problem, you can use wheat flour to patch it up. This is the way to make out the parathas. Let it be a little bit thick. Don't make it too thin. I have put an iron tawa on flame for heating. Now I have placed the paratha on the tawa. Press all over the paratha so that it cooks evenly. Cook in a medium flame. Cook evenly all over. Turn to the other side and press all over it. Now I am spearing some butter over the paratha. Again flip it out. Allow it to cook in a slow flame. Smear some butter to the other side. Let it cook evenly. Now the paratha is ready. Spicy onion wheat paratha with coriander and mint dip is ready to be served. Friends, try out this dish and give me a feedback. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you next week.